kami palagi. Mula bahay, eskwela at sa kalye, lahat ay aming pinitiis. Kahit pagkain namin ay amin nang inalis. Magkakasama kami sa lahat ng oras, at magkakasama rin kami humaharap sa bukas. Ganyan kami nagtutulungan, problema ng isa dinadamayan. Sinasabihan kami ng mga tao na masama, di namin pinapansin dahil di namin ginagawa. Sa katunayan kami humahanga, kasi kami napapansin at napupuna. Patuloy lang kaming namumuhay, at may kanya-kanyang pangarap sa buhay.
When the light you're charging seems all up here, when the pants are low and the depths are high, when you want smile but have to sigh, when campus pressing you down a bit, rest if you must but don't quit.
Yeah. Life is square with its twists and turns, as every one of us sometime learns. And many a fellow turns about when he might help one has to stack it out. Don't give up, though the pace seems slow. You may succeed with another blow. Often the goal is nearer than it seems to a faint and faltering man. Often the strugglers are giving up. He might captures the victor's cup, and he learned too late when the night came down how close he was to the golden crown. Success is failure turned inside out, in a silver tank, in a cloud of doubt. When you never can tell how close you are, it may be near when it seems afar. So stick to the fight when your hardest hit. It's when things seems worse that you mustn't quit.
Pababait at matulungin sila, wala na kong hihingin pa. Kaibigan ko, kadamay ko. Kaibigan ko, kadamay ko. Kaibigan ko, kadamay ko. No Command Records, featuring AKP Drix. Yo, here we go. Kami ay simpleng magbabarkada, kasama pati mga jowa. Hindi kami ng pera kay mami para makapunta kami sa city. Yung iba tambay sa Robinson, yung iba naman isa buong maghapon. Kanya-kanya kami ng trip, takbo dito napapunta sa jeep. Minsan kami ay napaisip, barkada pala namin ay di nakakainip. Ang sarap pala isipin na kayo magkakasama. Kaibigan ko, kadamay ko. Kaibigan ko, kadamay ko. Kaibigan ko, kadamay ko.